calls ending right after dialing on your Xiaomi or Redmi phone, or seeing the call ended message. Don't worry, you're not the only one. This problem usually comes from network issues, SIM problems, or a glitch in the phone app. The good news is, it's often simple to fix. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to solve it. Let's get started. First, try this simple trick to refresh your mobile radio. Open your phone dialer, dial *#*#4636 #*#*. Select phone 1 or 2 depending on the SIM you're using. This will show you your SIM details. Now, toggle off mobile radio power for 10 seconds and turn it back on. This will refresh the setting. After this, swipe down to open your phone's control center. Toggle on airplane mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle off. Once that's done, try checking your issue. If the issue persists, let's move on to the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear phone app cache and data. Open Settings, go to Apps, then on Manage Apps, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner. Select Show All Apps. After that, search for phone. On the search results, tap on the app that says phone and has the same icon as your phone app. Tap Clear Data, then clear all data and cache. Once you have done that, go back to search results and tap on Phone Services. Tap Clear Data, then clear all data and cache here as well. After that, force stop the app. Once that is done, restart your phone and check if the problem is fixed or not. Solution 2. Reset SIM card settings. Open Settings, then tap on Mobile Networks. Select your SIM card. Now here you'll need to change a few settings. Select Access Point Names. Tap Reset. After that, select your SIM carrier from here. Once the SIM is selected, go back and tap on Preferred Network Type. Select Prefer LTE if you have set this to something else. If you have already set this to LTE, select Prefer 3G. Tap on Select Carrier and disable Automatically Select Network from here. Once it's disabled, wait for 5 seconds and then enable it. After that, go back once again and disable and re-enable use VoLTE. Once that is done, give your phone a restart. Now check your issue again. Hopefully, this time your problem is gone. Got it working? Drop a comment and let me know if you're still facing any issues. Feel free to share them too. Hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Xiaomi fixes. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.